विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस? इनमें से कौन से बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट के पार्ट नहीं है? ए कस्टमर्स, बी सप्लायर्स, सी कॉम्पिटिटर्स, डी नन ऑफ द अबव। एंड द राइट आंसर इज डी नन ऑफ द अबव, बिकॉज ये सारे कंपोनेंट्स बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट के पार्ट्स है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ स्पेसिफिक फोर्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट? स्पेसिफिक फोर्सेस के कौन से कंपोनेंट नहीं है? ए टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंडीशन, बी कस्टमर, सी एम्प्लॉयज एंड डी इन्वेस्टर्स। एंड द राइट आंसर इज ए टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंडीशन, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंडीशन जनरल फोर्सेस के पार्ट होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, the growing awareness about healthcare has led to an increase in the demand for healthcare products and services in the country. Identify the features of business environment being described in the above case. A dynamic nature, B uncertainty, C relativity and D interrelatedness. And the right answer is D interrelatedness. Question number 4, since more number of people have become more beauty and health conscious, our economy has witnessed an unprecedented surge in the number of health and beauty spas and wellness clinics. Related feature of business environment being described in the above lines is A totality of external forces, B dynamic nature, C interrelatedness and D relativity. And the right answer is C interrelatedness. Question number 5, Twinkle Stars is a well-known resort for organizing parties, especially for children. However, in past 6 months, its popularity has reduced considerably as a new resort with better ambience and facilities has opened within its vicinity. Name the related feature of business environment which has influenced the business of Twinkle Stars adversely. A totality of external forces, B dynamic nature, C interrelatedness and D uncertainty. And the right answer is B dynamic nature, because the environment has changed. Question number 6, any kind of external devices like compact disc, CDs for computer have become obsolete. Google with its Google Drive service, Apple with its iCloud offering enables the users storage documents, photos, music and movies on the web-based services. Identify the feature of business environment being described in the above lines. A relativity, B dynamic nature, C uncertainty and D interrelatedness. The right answer is C uncertainty. Question number 7, according to the United Nations Environment Agency, the world produces about 300 million tons of plastic each year, half of which constitutes single-use items. Ford is recycling over 1 billion plastic bottles every year to develop elements of the car interior, reducing the amount of plastic ending up in the landfill. The American car maker has revealed that their Romanian-built EcoSport SUVs carpet are made using 470 recycled single-use plastic bottles. The process of making food EcoSport carpet involves spreading bottles and their caps to tiny flakes and heating them to 260 degrees Celsius. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A economic dimension, B social dimension, C technological dimension and D political dimension. And the right answer is C technological dimension. Question number 8. DigiLocker is the country's first secure cloud-based platform for the storage, issuance and verification of documents with the driving license and vehicle registration system of the Road Transport Ministry. The integration of a government department with DigiLocker since its launch last year is one of the biggest of its kind. It will spare one people the trouble of carrying license and vehicle papers, which can be accessed on phones using the DigiLocker app. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A economic dimension, B technological dimension, C social dimension and D political dimension. And the right answer is B technological dimension. Question number 9. The Uttarakhand government has developed surveillance network using latest satellite technology. Under this system, the state's mining department would be in position to check illegal mining activities across the state. The state government is also considering the use of drones in its proposed campaign against illegal mining. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A economic dimension and legal dimension, B social dimension and economic dimension, C technological dimension and political dimension, D political dimension and economic dimension. And the right answer is C technological dimension and political dimension. Question number 10. In order to boost the double India's exports of goods and services to over $1,000 billion by 2025, it is important to lower effective corporate tax rate, bring down cost of capital and simplify regulatory and tax framework. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A social dimension and legal dimension, B technological dimension and political dimension, C political dimension and social dimension, D economic dimension and legal dimension. And the right answer is D economic dimension and legal dimension. Question number 11. The Economic Survey 2019 suggests that the psychological biases can be used in the realm of tax compliance. It is in favor of using religious norms such as dying in debt is a sin To improve tax compliance, identify the related dimension of business environment. A. Legal dimension and social dimension. B. Social dimension and economic dimension. C. Technological dimension and political dimension. D. Political dimension and economic dimension. And the right answer is B. Social dimension and economic dimension. Question number 12. Electrical vehicles with zero tailpipe emissions are emerging as a good alternative to problems like climate change, surging pollution leading to ill health, crude import bill, and energy security. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A. Economic dimension, legal dimension, and social dimension. B. Social dimension, political dimension, and economic dimension. C. Economic dimension, technological dimension, and social dimension. D. Social dimension, political dimension, and legal dimension. And the right answer is C. Economic dimension, technological dimension, and social dimension. Question number 13. Yo Tummy began its business by offering the classic combo of hamburgers and fries. But over time, their customers wanted healthier foods. So the Yummy responded and began offering healthy alternatives such as salads, fruits, wraps, and oatmeals. If Yo Tummy hadn't responded, they may have lost customers and wanted to eat healthier foods. The above case highlighted one of the points related to the importance of business environment, and it is understanding by the managers. Identify it. It helps in coping with rapid changes. It helps in improving performance. It helps in the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. It enables the firm to identify opportunities of getting the first mover advantage. And the right answer is A. It helps in coping with rapid changes. Question number 14. As a result of major government initiatives, more and more people are going green. In order to keep in line with the trend, Clafe, a carpet cleaning company, has advertised that they only use natural cleaners that come from renewable resources, and that all their service vehicles and hybrid vehicles that use both gas and electricity. Identify one of the points related to the importance of business environment and its understanding by managers, which is being highlighted in the above case. A. It helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. It helps in coping with rapid changes. C. It helps in improving performance. D. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. And the right answer is C. It helps in improving performance. Question number 15. According to the World Health Organization, 39% of the adults are overweight. Over the last 40 years, the prevalence of obesity has tripled around the world, with over half of the consumers drinking at least one sugary drink on a given day. Regulations towards the beverage sectors are likely to become increasingly onerous. In the UK, for example, a sugar tax was introduced in 2018 on the beverages containing more than 5% sugar. Identify the related dimension of business environment. A. Legal dimension and social dimension. B. Social dimension and technological dimension. C. Technological dimension and legal dimension. D. Political dimension and technological dimension. And the right answer is A. Legal dimension and social dimension. Question number 16. India's population is expected to grow under 0.5% during 2013 to 41 due to decline in fertility rate and increase in life expectancy. These changes in India's demography will also have implications such as the proportion of elementary school going children will witness significant decline, lack of hospital beds, and increase in retirement age. The related feature of business environment being described in the above lines is A. Totality of external forces. B. Dynamic nature. C. Interrelatedness. D. Relativity. And the right answer is C. Interrelatedness. Question number 17. India continues to be a lower middle income country along with 46 others, while Sri Lanka has climbed to the upper middle income group for the fiscal year 2020. According to the World Bank's classification of countries by income level released on July 1, 2019, identify the related dimension of business environment. A. Social dimension. B. Technological dimension. C. Economic dimension. D. Political dimension. And the right answer is C. Economic dimension. Question number 18. According to a report by the India Staffing Federation, ISF, India has emerged as the fifth largest market worldwide in flexi staffing in 2018, and the country would have 6.1 billion flexi workforce by 2021. It showed that Haryana, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Telangana are the states with high growth potential and flexi staffing, but Andhra Pradesh tops the list of the states with favorable business environment. Identify the features of business environment being discussed above. A. Relativity. B. Dynamic nature. C. Uncertainty. And D. Interrelatedness. And the right answer is A. Relativity. Question number 19. The Union Cabinet has given in principle note to divest stakes in Air India, a wholly government-owned airline. This means the government is willing to shed a substantial portion of its stake and hand over the management of the ailing airline to the private sector. Identify the concept being described in the above lines. A. Liberalization. B. Privatization. C. Globalization. And D. Demonetization. The right answer is B. Privatization. Question number 20. The Government of India launched Make in India initiative in September 2014 to increase foreign direct investment (FDI) in 25 sectors. As of April 2015, FDI inflow in India increased by 48% since the launch of Make in India initiative. Identify the concept being described in the above lines with regard to the inflow of FDI. A. Demonetization, B. Privatization, C. Liberalization, and D. Globalization. And the right answer is C. Liberalization. Question number 21. In today's world, the flow of goods and services is not only cheap and fast but reliable and secure. You can order anything you wish from any part of the world. Internet has been connecting people without any limitations or boundaries in the way of doing business. Identify the concept being described in the above lines. A. Liberalization, B. Globalization, C. Demonetization, and D. Privatization. And the right answer is B. Globalization. Question number 22. On 8th November 2016, with the announcement from Government of India, all the rupees 500 and rupees 1000 banknotes of the Mahatma Gandhi series have ceased to be a legal tender. The government also announced the issuance of new rupees 500 and 2000 banknotes in exchange for the demonetized banknotes. Identify the concept being described in the above lines. A. Globalization, B. Liberalization, C. Demonetization, and D. Privatization. And the right answer is C. Demonetization. Question number 23. Which of the following is a feature of demonetization? A. Tax administration measure, B. Channelizing savings into the formal financial system, C. Development of less cash economy, D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 24. A business has to offer wider choice in purchasing enhanced quality of goods and services in order to maintain an edge over its competitors. The implementation of the new economic policy with liberalization, privatization, and globalization has posed various challenges for the corporate sector. One of the important challenges is explained in the above line. Identify it. A. Increasing competition, B. More demanding customers, C. Necessity for changes, and D. Market orientation. And the right answer is A. Increasing competition. Thank you so much for watching.